Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Y'all see this? Man, what is this? Gray? Silver? I don't know. 2011, guys. I want to say Chrysler. Is it Town and Country or Grand Caravan? Town and Country, guys. All right. Sorry, man. This is a ticker, man. I don't really like doing these, but I will say this. It's a fairly known problem, known issue. It shouldn't be a surprise anymore is what I'm trying to say. But I hate when people get discouraged and, yell out, "I'll never buy another Dodge or Chrysler." It's just one of those things, guys. And for the record, guys, this car has almost 150,000 miles. So I would say this. If this car has never had any type of valve train work done to it and it lasted this long, yeah, I know that's a ridiculous thing to say, right? Because you ain't supposed to have no failures, but failures can happen, guys, especially within 150,000 miles. So if it went this long without any valve train repair, they did good. I'm sorry, that's just the honest truth. All right, now, ticking noise. Guys, y'all know my warning I give out, and I need to practice my own. I need to practice what I preach. Before you start dealing with any kind of ticking or knocking complaints, guys, you really want to make sure that you have proper amount of oil in it. I didn't bring no rag with me, but so let me put that on there. Okay, now we have enough oil in here to proceed to drive it in the shop. It's not by no means it is full and at the proper level. That's not what I'm searching for. I'm searching for the presence of oil. Okay, had this been on the bottom of the dipstick and no oil registered on the stick at all, then yes, I would have never cranked the engine over, guys. You do not want to be blamed for anything. You do not want to compound the situation. All right, in fact, let me leave the hood up and see. Everything look good. See if I can duplicate it. In other words, is there any noise? Let's find out. Oh no, where's my key? All right. Okay. All right, I hear a little bit. Yeah. Early stages, guys. Now, is that a misfire? Because don't get it twisted. Broken rocker arm can cause a misfire, guys. If you have a, let's say, P0304, we know, or we should know, 2, 4, and 6 at the front. This is called bank 2. This is called bank 1 in the rear. All right, because cylinders 1, 3, and 5 is back there. So I'm about to give an example real quick. Let's say if we had a P0302 and a ticking noise. One could almost associate those two complaints with the same repair. In other words, if I got a rock arm that's broken on cylinder 2, yes, that very likely or very well could have caused your misfire as well as the ticking noise. But we don't know until we find out. Okay, guys? So, and that's what I'm about to do. So let's get this thing in the shop. I can hear and I can verify that there's a ticking noise. Like I say, early stages. Maybe they did not damage any camshaft. All right? You just never know. But we'll find out, guys. In other words, stay tuned, man. Don't go anywhere. We're gonna talk some more. I will be right back. All right, guys, I'm back at the computer, so you can see my topology. Like I said, this is 2015. I was confused about the year. It's 2015 Town and Country with a 3.6. That's some yellow boxes here, guys. Y'all know that typically indicates trouble codes in these boxes. So let's go to PCM. Now, I don't know if an engine controller will produce a fault code for a noisy lifter, right? No, it won't. Okay, let's go to DTC and see. Hey, P0420, guys. That stands for CAT, System Efficiency Below Threshold, Bank 1. Y'all know what Bank 1 is, right? That is the rear cylinder head of a Caravan. Because this is a front-wheel drive, sideways engine, Bank 1 is going to be on the rear. And this is the hardest CAT converter to replace, guys. All right, now, the issue at hand is ticking noise. So one would likely ask, did the ticking noise cause this? That's hard to say, guys. Remember, this car has 150,000 miles on it, so I'm not sure a broken rocker arm will, I guess it could affect timing and allow the car to run either rich or lean, which could in essence affect emissions, right? So just say if this rocker arm that has failed, potentially, we don't know, allegedly, that's the word they use in court, allegedly has failed, could unburned fuel be causing, could it have sped up the life of the cat converter, cause it to fail prematurely? All right. I don't know, guys. That's one of those questions. Now, again, bank one is in the rear. So there is no fault code for misfire, but I can feel a misfire. You know, have it been detected yet? Obviously not, because there's no trouble code. But I want to say no. I don't think the ticking noise had much effect on this cat's ability to efficiently lower emissions. That's the cat's job, guys. All that pollutant that comes out of an engine, the cat's supposed to clean it up and convert it to water, basically, but in a nutshell. Okay, but I'm not sure, like I say, broken valve train parts would cause this, only because it has over 150,000 miles. So it's just an additional problem to this car. So and guys, ain't much diagnosis you can do to a code that says cat system efficiency below threshold, bank one. All right, you can diagnose it, you can follow the book. In fact, I'm not gonna say ever, but I don't think I've every time I see the code, my end goal, I always end up replacing the cat. However, there's possibly some things that would cause this. Possible cause it, exhaust leaks would cause it, engine mechanical condition, yes, that would fall in line with a broken rocker arm. So one could argue a broken rocker arm could in effect cause cat to fail prematurely. Look, this aging or foul upstream O2 sensor. Yes, guys, O2 sensors. Now, a lot of guys will go ahead and do O2 sensors when they do a cat. That's recommended if it's high mileage, guys. And last but not least, a cat converter could cause a cat efficient failure code. Okay, so these are the possible cause for that. And I guess that rocker arm would fall under this under this heading, engine mechanical condition. Yes. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna write up an estimate for, because of the mileage, all 24 rocker arms. Now again, I don't know if a cam is ruined. This car has some type of warranty on it, so it would be easy enough for me to add an additional camshaft to it if needed. All right, so that way I won't have to waste time, or wasted transaction trying to sell teardown time. So I will eliminate that. Just write up 24 rock arms and this cat converter, guys. And you know the normal things. I'm gonna check the plugs, tune-ups, things like that. And so we're gonna go that route, guys. That's the route I choose to go on this car, only based off the mileage. Now all those other fault codes was just lights and things like that. But that's where we stand on this, guys. So I'll see y'all in the next video, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for watching.